Friends, a series of video clips on checking the pressure switches continues. Today we will check such a pressure switch, or a water level sensor. Such pressure switches can be found on these washing machines. To check, we take a tester, a syringe for 10 cubes and a hose, and start checking. Now we put a hose on our sensor. We put the tester in the dialing mode. Pull the syringe plunger to the 10 mark, and the pressure switch is checked in 3 positions. One position is an empty tank. Contacts 11 and 12 are closed. Now we displace air from the syringe until it clicks. This is position 2, the tank is full. 11, 13 contacts closed. The next stage is the overflow level. We displace the air from the syringe completely. In this position, pins 11 and 13 remain unchanged. That is, the probe can be placed on any of them, and contact 14 is added to them, which closes the circuit to turn on the pump. On this I say goodbye to you. See you soon.